Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can set up a Magento shop on your system from scratch. As you know that Magento is an open source that is used to create online shopping platform. It contains all the features that are required to make a shop online. So in order to do uh, this you need to have four things. The first thing is you need to download Magento. So first download Mozilla from the website of Magento. Download Magento from their website, and they always put the latest version on their website, so you can download the latest version, and the latest version requires PHP 7.1. So uh, you have to be make sure that your WAMP server, this is your WAMP server, so you click on this and you check your PHP version. You can go here version, and then you see like this is 5.6, and so it will not work on 5.6. Open the www directory and extract all the files that you just downloaded from Magento. Once all the files are extracted, this is the folder structure of Magento. Okay, now since we are doing everything on localhost, so all the files are with us, and the other thing is like we need to access the database part. So you have to go to PHP myadmin. This is PHP myadmin. So in order to make database, we have to go to PHP myadmin, and by default user that is created is root, and once you install the PHP myadmin, the database part, by default user called root is created, and you can see. So you can take any database. This is just for testing, so you can create any database, like I have created this database. So this is the database. Now I will open the folder in which I have put the Magento. The name of the folder is Magento 2, so I will write here Magento 2. It is saying that it supports PHP 7.0. so what we can do, we have to make changes in the version. So I will make it PHP version 7.1.9. Now I will refresh it. So you can see once I refresh it, the installation steps. In order to create database, it's very simple. You can create any database, like go to the server, this is the database server, and here you can see all the databases. Once you click on the database, so it will be all the databases. Now what you need to do is click on create new database. Suppose I want to create Magento, so it will be Magento and create. Okay, so this database is created, and you can create a user that will access. So we have already created some user. You can also create your user, and so that he can access the Magento database. Now once all this is done, you can see the Magento setup is open. You click agree and setup. Now start readiness check. It will check whether it contains everything or not. So it is checking everything like PHP version, PHP setting, and file extension. So everything is done. So the first step is done. Now you have to go to the next step. Next step is database. So we just created the database. Not always necessary, it is picking everything from database part. So all the information that are necessary are the database server host, then username, password, it's not required, and database name. I just created the database name magento, so it is picking that. Now click on next part. If everything is okay, then we will move to the next part. So next it has got the database information. Now it is creating the store address. So this is the store address. We have some advanced option, so we don't require that at this time. Go to the next step, customize your store. So just select all the default and then click on next, and you have to create admin user account, your password, your email and password, whatever you password you want to give, so that you can access the admin section. And this one. Now click on next. So it needs some complex password, so I have given a complex password. Now installation step, final step, installation. Now the installation wizard is ready, so it will install magento on your machine. So it takes some time, but after installation you will have a backend and front end ready with some sample data, so that you can check it. It will take some time. As you can see, the installation started, and this is the last step, and magento will be installed on your machine, and you can access all the feature of the magento. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks very much.